Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the Boca area, check out the Hyatt place. It's a good value. Okay, there's a portico there where you can't make a left. Oh, they got outdoor dining too. You want to do it?
Okay, go.
Okay.
Because I'm sitting in the valet spot.
Okay, right.
Okay, but I'm sitting in the valet spot. They're going to kick me.
Wide open lobby here. Generous elevators where you're not waiting. The hallways are roomy and well lit. Oh, now we're in a room.
Oh, this is nice because we got room.
Yeah, very nice. This is a nice room.
This is very nice.
And I like to have this little living area. He's drinking the toilet! Stop that, champ.
Champ.
Champ. He's probably thirsty.
He said, good toilet, Mama.
And do they have a closet? Oh, that wardrobe over there. Very nice. King size bed. Compact wardrobe. Okay, we have a refrigerator. Microwave or no?
You know, they might not have a microwave.
Well, they serve breakfast. Did you know that?
Oh, yeah. Is
Well,
it
you got coffee.
Complimentary?
Complimentary breakfast, yeah.
Okay, so that's good.
Hyatt Place has a lot going for it, including the breakfast. Let's look at it.
They have things.
No, what do they got?
They have egg.
The sausage look pretty good.
You can put on your eggs, you know.
Oh, they make it like an omelet kind of.
And they have tortillas and salsa, so you can make
Like a breakfast taco.
Yeah, they even have.
That's it. Do you think there's eggs here? Oh, scrambled up perfect. Just what I want.
Okay. Then you have tortilla.
Oh, right. They got fruit. Look at that. Why did we buy all that fruit yesterday?
Oh, look, the bread's decent. Oh, look at those.
Are those donut balls? They look pretty good, actually.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay,
I'll
thanks,
see
Rita.
you later.
Love you.
I'm gonna have to get some stuff.
Decent breakfast along the buffet. Much better than the standard grab and go. They also have several meeting rooms. They have a fun pool overlooking the city. Nice swimming pool. And they have a well-equipped gym.
Oh, that's a good spot. What is the internet?
They didn't tell us. Oh, free Wi-Fi everywhere and connect with ease.
Where does it say that?
On the back of the card, right here.
Mine doesn't. Oh, you have the.
I have the envelope.
Oh, the envelope. Okay.
Right. This is a nice room. And Eddie's also has outdoor dinings too along the strip here in Boca.